Hello everyone, in this particular lecture we are going to look at the transformation steps in Oracle Data Integrator 12c. So let me just explain the scenario. So let me show you the files which I'm going to read. I need to show you the files. So these are my files, customer01.csv, customer02.csv. Let me just open this file. So in this particular file I have customer ID, customer name. This is customer name, country and city. Now I have another file, customer02.csv. This is another file. Then I have this file order.csv. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to perform the union operation. So first of all, I'm going to combine these two files with the help of union operation. Then I'm going to perform the join transformation step in the Oracle Data Integrator 12c. So with the help of join, I'm going to combine the customer data set with the order data set. This data set on the basis of customer ID, I'm going to have a join. Okay. Then on the basis of order ID, I'm going to have a join between these two data sets. Okay, order and product.csv. So let me first create the physical architecture. So since we are reading a file from my local computer system, so I will choose the file architecture. Okay, so right click, new data server. So data server is already created, this one. I need to create new physical schema. So here in the directory I'm going to mention the path where these files are stored. Copy this, copy and paste here. Okay, paste here, fine. Save this. New physical schema has been created. Okay, name of physical schema is this one. Okay, now next step is to create the logical architecture. File, right click, okay, right click, new logical schema. I need to create the logical schema. So here I'm going to mention the path where files are stored. So I will select this physical schema. Okay, I need to select the physical schema and I'm going to name it file underscore ls logical schema. So this is another logical schema I have created. The first one is this one. Okay, the path is set. Save this, fine. Next step is to create data model. So first of all, I'm going to create a new data model. So here I'm going to go in this section, then new model. Technology, I will select file. Logical schema, I will select this one, file underscore ls. So this logical schema I've just created. So I will name this model source underscore files is my new data model. Save this. Okay, source underscore files. Next step is to create a new data store. So table. So first of all, I need to select the file customer01.csv. Fine, customer01 is the file name, alias is this. Okay, fine. Save this. Okay, unable to save customer1, the field is mandatory. Okay, file format delimited, headline number of lines. So the first one is the header line. So the first one is the header line. Field separator other, comma separated file. Save this. Attributes, reverse engineer. So this is going to import the attributes. Okay, click OK. Customer ID numeric, customer name is string, data type country string, city string. Okay, so next I'm going to create another data store. Okay, new data store. I will select another file which is customer02.csv, customer02, alias name is this. files, okay, delimited one, other, comma, attributes, reverse engineer, yes, okay. Now close this. Likewise, I'm going to create another data store. So right now I'm creating data store for order.csv. Okay, so I will call it order. Source I will give order.csv, order, fine, files, delimited first, other, comma, attributes, reverse engineer, yes, click OK. Order ID, order amount, customer ID, numeric, fine. Next I'm going to create another data store for this data set. Product is going to be my file name, product. So files, select the delimited, comma, other, comma, separated file. Attributes, reverse engineer the process, yes, click OK. Okay, I need to select, okay, product.csv, table, files, number 1. Okay, number of lines. So the first line is the header line, attributes, reverse engineer. Okay, now it is fine. Product ID, product order ID, product name. Okay, so all data stores have been added. Next I'm going to create a model for my target table. Let me first show you my target table. So this is my target table, trg underscore customer. This table has these attributes: customer ID, name, country, city, product name, order amount. So next I'm going to create a data model for my target table, trg underscore customer. But first I need to check if data model is already there or not. So this data model I'm going to create. So instead of creating a new data model, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a data store inside this data model. So I have already, this trg underscore product is the data store which is already there. I'm going to create a data store for this table, okay, inside this data model. So click this trg underscore table, fine, reverse engineer, okay, select reverse engineer, select all, uncheck these options. So I'm going to only select this table, trg underscore customer, reverse engineer, click yes. Okay, data store has been, so reverse engineering, so data store has been added, trg underscore customer. In order to view the data, right click. So right now I don't have any data in my table, so I'm going to insert data in my trg underscore customer table. So next step is to create a new mapping. So I will go inside my project, inside the first underscore folder, I will create a new mapping. So new mapping I will call join transformation. Click OK. So first of all, I need to add this data store. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a union between these two data sets, customer 01 and customer 02. So for having a union, a number of columns must be same. So in my first data set I have 4 columns, in my second data set I have 4 columns. Okay, number of columns are same. Not only number of columns should be same, but data type should also be same. Okay, so I have same data type in these two data sets. Okay, customer ID having same data type, customer name and customer name having same data type, country and country having same data type, also city and city having same data type. So in order to perform the union operation, there is a component in ODI called set component. So I'm going to use the set component. With the help of this component, I can perform operations like union, union all, intersect, etc. These all operations I can perform with the help of set operator. So what is the difference between union and union all? So union all operation is going to include duplicate rows, whereas when it comes to union operation, it removes duplicate rows. Okay. So in this particular lecture, we are going to perform the union operation. So select, map it with this set component input 1, map it with this set component input 2. Okay. Customer ID, customer name, country, city. So select the set operator. So attributes, journal, I will name this component union. Operator, input, I have two inputs, customer 01 and customer 02, this input. So I'm having customer 02 union customer 01. Okay. I can also perform other operations. So next I'm going to use an expression here. Okay. So let me just convert the customer name to uppercase. Upper customer name. Okay. Now, after that, I'm going to include this order and product. Order and product. Then I'm going to use this join component. Customer ID, customer name, country, city. Okay. Join this. Join this. So with the help of join component, I can perform various join operations. So like I can perform inner join, I can perform left outer join, I can perform right outer join. So if I uncheck all options, it will be inner join. If I check this option, it will be left outer join. If I check this option, it will be right outer join. So if you want to perform the cross join, you will select this. If you want to have a natural join, you will select this. So right now, I'm going to perform the inner join. Inner join will return all the matching rows. So here I'm going to provide the matching criteria, join condition. So expression customer ID equals to order customer ID and product order ID equals to order ID. Apply, click OK. Save this. Next, after this, I'm going to drag the data store of my target table, this trg underscore customer. Okay, combine this by name. Customer ID, customer name, country, city, product name, okay, and order amount. Customer ID, I need to select, okay, it doesn't matter. This, okay, let me just select this customer ID. Name, country, city, product name, order amount. Save this. So this is join operation. With the help of join operation, I can perform different joins like inner join, left outer join, right outer join, etc. Next step is to execute this mapping. Execute, click OK. Now I need to check my target table if data is populated or not. Execute. Data has been inserted. 50 rows have been inserted in my target table. Okay. Order amount, product name, city, country, customer name, and customer ID. I need to show you the logs. Okay. So this is, I need to show you the logs. So this is my, these are the logs of this joint transformation. Okay, this is the physical view of my mapping. So I'm going to have multiple C dollar tables. Okay, so create C dollar table. First it is going to create a C dollar table for this customer 02, customer 01, customer 02. So it will create how many C dollar tables? 1 2 3 4 C dollar tables. Okay, order AP, it will create 4 C dollar table. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. Next it will, what it is going to do, it is going to insert data in my target table. So my target table is this. So it is going to do some transformation, and after that it is going to insert data in my target table. This is my target table. I need to show you the module which I am using. Go to the target, integration knowledge module. So I'm using this integration knowledge module. So for LKM, I'm using this knowledge module, LKM. So let me just select this LKM. Here I'm using the LKM for this product. I'm using this. Okay, this is the physical view of my mapping. Logical view, this is my logical view. So hope you understood the concept. Thank you so much and have a great learning.